Hi, today we are going to look at the Tally reports in browser feature, which is very good and very useful. Not many people are using it, but it's something which can add a lot of value to your day-to-day reporting. Basically, the feature is about accessing your reports of Tally on a browser. So you can open it on your mobile or from anywhere using an internet connection on a browser, and then you will be able to see the reports of your company. But let's see how it works. So I'm going to log into this company over here. Now there is a feature which says on the company menu, which says connect. Now here I can provide an email ID. So let's say I'm going to use my email ID and I want to get remote access for this particular company. Now I can go to this website which says tallysolutions.com, click on the login option, enter your tally.net ID and password, login, select your account if you have multiple accounts. Now here you'll be able to see the companies which are connected to this account. Now on my Tally I've opened this company which says Safety Trading Enterprises. So I'm going to select this particular company and I can access the reports over here. So let's say I want to see my day book, and then I can see all the transactions which I've created for any specific day. If you want to change the date, click on this calendar option over here, change the date. So let's say I want to make it from 1st November till this date, and then I can see all the transactions for all these days in my browser. Same thing, if you want to change the report, click here, click on change report. Now let's say I want to see profit and loss, and here it is. So you can access all the standard reports of your system, receivable, payable. So if you're sitting with a customer and you want to quickly see what is the receivable, so I'm going to look at group outstanding of all the customers, or I can even look at a ledger outstanding. So I'll simply type ledger over here and I can see the reports are getting filtered. Click on ledger outstanding, select a customer, and then you will see all the reports which are there. Now if you want to download this report and maybe you want to send it to somebody, then you can click on the download button over here, and then you have the option of downloading it as Excel or a PDF file. So go ahead, give it a try, and if you have any concerns or any questions, get in touch with us at Safety Computers. We've been helping companies since 2011 with different accounting and ERP solutions. You can find the link in the description. All the best and have a nice day.